Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's video, I decided that I was going to do something I haven't done in a while, an unboxing review on the Nerf SurgeFire. First impressions and, well, not really a review, it's going to be first impressions and unboxing, because I haven't done an unboxing video in a long time. And I'm going to try and open up with a screwdriver. Not like open like the internals and such. I'm just going to try and open up the box with a screwdriver. Now, this unboxing video, I haven't done one of these in a while, so I guess I'll get right into it. It looks like it comes with, doesn't go in the instruction manual? Maybe it's on the back of the darts. Oh yeah, I see it. So this looks like a piece of cardboard. Just rip it out. That looks like actual webbing. So let's see if I can just pry it open. No. Nope, that's not gonna work. What about this? One, two, and three. Oh, missed one. I got this at Costco. They're selling it for like, I think it was like $18.94 in Virginia. This is pretty sick, actually. I'm surprised I didn't pick this up sooner. Hand up feels good. The trigger's nice and smooth. It looks like a five-sided rotating piece here. Doesn't push down, but this does. Put that down here for now. Let's try and get this thing out. Got it out. Drum looks like it has all the air registers in there and the same five-sided piece in here. Holds, I believe, 15 darts. And now this gun came with 45 darts. No idea why. Maybe there's an easier way. Here we are, all the darts, and throw the rest over there. Now let's see, the instruction manual looks like it's all folded pretty nicely. Slam fire, you just hold down the trigger and then keep like pushing back and forth. Has one tactical rail, looks like. The grip, oh, and the other thing is the grip. The foregrip here feels nice and comfortable for my big monstrous hands. There is an indicator here, just like a long strike or a long shot, or with anything with indicators on the back of their guns. And let's get all these darts out. All 45. Now, I don't know why they included more darts. Maybe it's just because, hey, let's give them more darts from what, instead of giving them like 15. Let's give them like 3 times as much. Put them all in. Like every possible curiosity thing here, I would be more than curious to see if this works with the ray darts. Those AccuStrike red and black darts I got from the Ray Squad. Again, I appreciate that so much. Thank you. And I've been using those constantly, just around the house, shooting at walls and such. So this dart drum is fully loaded. Let's see if I can, do I just slide it in, or So like a release button I have to use. This is weird. Actually, let's check the instructions. How does it load? Slide drum into either side of the blaster until it clicks, and and then load the darts that way. Okay, so I did something wrong. Maybe could I just take out like a few of these darts and try it that way? Ow. There we go. Ah, here we go. Load the rest of the 4. And it's all set to go. Tactical rail on top here. Looks like 3 sling attachments. One by the handle or the trigger. One at the front and one towards the rear of the gun. Oh, I just Kobe'd that shit. Oops. Let's see about... It's tremendous firepower. Now I'm going to test its slam fire capabilities, hold down the trigger, and go blast away. Alright, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. Wishing that they had the drum bigger so it could hold more darts, but I think that's something that could either be 3D printed or could be modified to an extent where you could throw any other dart in here, or Stefan's or something. But I am very impressed by this gun, just looking at it, shooting it, and just the overall first impressions. The review will come up shortly, and thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.